Hello everyone, my name is Fernanda and today I'm going to explain how to create a dry Google folder. Let's start by logging into the Gmail account. Once we are here, we click on the Google Apps section and look for the Drive file. Here we are going to create our folder. When we are here, we click in the New section, then in New Folder, and we are going to put the name of Leadership Course. And once created, will be saved in the section My Unit. We double click to enter our folder and we will upload the previously saved videos. Go to where it says New, Upload File, and look for the video in the computer. And double click to upload. Okay, now it's ready. If you have any question, do not hesitate to contact the First Class Business team. See you soon.